We'd like to talk to you about an exciting project that we've been involved in, a transit-oriented type project that worked with various sections and various teams at the same time. We were working for the rail client in Malaysia, KL, KVMRT, developing the new line, KVMRT line, for reference design. So we'll share with you and talk you through a bit of the background behind the project, IMC Parkville, Ampang, KL.
So part of the KVMRT system, KVMRT2, the station has to contend with some significant alignment challenges from the offset. Now the corridor, as I said, was very narrow, and therefore a stack station was required for other reasons, but coincidentally it does help in the land take that it then forces on the future development, in that the plan area obviously is therefore narrower of the station box and therefore allows more true ground to the east and west of the station box for superstructure and load path diagram requirements down into true ground around the station box.
Okay, so we managed to look at the site, do a site analysis of opportunities and constraints to look at best way to fit within the existing topography and landscape of the site, the station that we're bringing to the site, which is a below ground station, as well as the commercial opportunities at ground level in terms of view aspect, massing, access, egress, and circulation. This was done while we were developing the concept of the station itself. They were happening in parallel. So there was a lot of flexibility that we had on the station design itself to truly integrate to a future development. Yeah, it was for the benefit of the rail client as well as the commercial client to stitch together the two developments in terms of structural integrity, shared common structure, a rationalization of structure, and also the optimization of the land use.
And one of those key aspects is obviously ensuring there's enough flexibility in key rail assets or station assets such as vent shafts and so forth, so that there is enough flexibility to extend the temporary vent shaft structure in its initial day one case through to the fully assimilated, fully integrated solution in the ultimate development state, and obviously ensure that pressure loss issues and there's enough capacity within the fan system within the station box to allow that full flexibility for that level of integration.
The team also worked on a concept division master plan vision for the whole commercial development, which was part of the scope. So not just the planning constraints, but actually the architectural look and feel of the commercial development and the appropriate mix. We did come up with various options of the tower set out in terms of the relation box, as well as the constraints, as well as view angles.
And the key success is looking to have that seamless integration, and at that level of integration, which can be seen in the section, really demonstrates how that can successfully be employed in a well-integrated TOD solution.
And one of the big wins for this was to have shared common structural walls. So we could really get the commercial development right up and close next to the station box. So in terms of the final skin itself, we think it's quite an iconic design, quite successful design that looks deliberate and integrated, and a very strong icon, a very strong identity within the Ampang site in KL. The vision itself shows a very clean and open retail space, uncluttered by structure, lots of daylight opportunities, lots of view vistas, and very strong connectivity and seamless connectivity to the station. So blurring the line between the station entrance and commercial development, which is something we always strive for successful transit-oriented developments such as this.